Hello everyone. Today we will make C# application. Open Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. Create a new project. Select C# from this drop-down and scroll down until you see Windows Forms app. Click on it, then click Next. Name your project any name. I will name it my okay. Then click Next or click Enter. Select your framework.net. I selected 10.0. Create. Click Create to create the project. We can drag and drop from toolbox. I will use button and also I will use text list box. Double click on button 1. Write list box 1 dot items 1 second dot I dot items dot add, then open brackets and close it, then this symbol. We'll use it all our videos. Add 1. Let's test our project. At the end of the video, I will say to you everything will make what to understand why I wrote all of this. It's work. I will use another button, but I will name it add 1 and this add 2. Double click on add 2 and make list box 1 dot items dot add 2. Run our project, then test the both are work. I will use checkbox from here. Checkbox. I will name it disable adding 1. Double click on the checkbox. Click tab and close this bracket and write add in it button 1 dot enabled equal false. Run the project. test the button. When I uncheck it, it's still disabled. I want it to be enabled if it's unchecked. So I will write else statement, then button 1 dot enabled equal true. I will add spaces to be more organized. Disable adding, it's disabled, and this is working. It's all our code are working. Wait until it will load. I'll add another checkbox. I'll name it disable. 1 second. I will name it disable. Disable add adding adding to. Double click and click tab, then the brackets. But right button 2 dot enabled equal false. Make right else. Yeah, close the brackets. And write an else statement in the else statement. 1 second, please. Mm. Right button. No, not here. Else. Mm. Button 2 dot enabled equal true. Then test our project. Disable adding 2, disable adding 1. All are working. Mm, all are working. I will add a label. Label. The text will be nothing, and double click on add one and write label 1 dot text equal not label 1. We will remove label and it will be label 1 only, and test the project. So okay, we will make also the button add 2, make it changing. Copy this, Control C, go to button 2, click tab. All the code are working, alhamdulillah. I will add another checkbox to change the actions for the buttons. I moved the label to here. I will name our third checkbox change actions for the buttons like this. Double click on button 1, then write if statement and if checkbox 2 dot checked, or then Control X for this lines and Control V here. Make else statement and here it's must be 2. But 1 second, wait. Control Z, Control X, no, Control Z, Control C. Then here Control V and here edit, Control and Control, not Control, edit it like this. All these statements, copy it, select, then Control C, remove these lines or select it, then Control V. Here will be 1 and 1, 2 and 2. Also here I will add another line, button 2 dot text equal add 1 and this Control C, then Control V and 2. Here the same, button 1 dot text equal add 2 and here button 1 dot text equal add 1. This our project. Disable adding 1, disable adding 2. If it's oh, we must move the label. 1 second please, because it's move the label, then put again the list box here. Oh, if checkbox 3 and here also 3. We will only change this here. Double click on this button, the list checkbox, right button 1 dot text equal add 2. like this, and Control C. No, not Control C. Only button to dot text equal and equal no equal add one, then our symbol, add else statement, button one dot text equal double quote, then add one, and our symbol, and button two dot text equal add two, no equal double quote, then add two. So we forgot something at the top. Now Control Z here. Remove this line, and here remove this line, and here remove this line, and here remove this line. Also, uh, all of the code are working. I'll make you understand all the code now. Here in button 1, this code, I make it like this because here, if checkbox 3 dot check, I mean if this checkbox 3, if it's checked, make this box dot items means like here, this is item, one is item, two is item, like this, and this is list box 1 dot items dot add, I mean I wanted add, then the brackets 2 and this here, add 2. I wanted add number 2, like a text. And this symbol means I, I stop this thing here. And here, label 1, this means this label, dot text. If I select this, you will see here text, I mean this, dot text equal 2. I mean here dot text, it will make like this. The function will make like this, but not me. The function automatic will write it. Else means if it's not checked. Listbox dot items dot add one. I think you know this means what? and label one dot text equal 1, not 2, like here it's 1 and here it's 1 also, not 2. Private here, if checkboxes 3 dot checked, like here I said here, I means this checkbox 3 if it's checked. List box 1 dot items, the items, like here 1 is items, 2 is item, like this. Dot add 1, I mean dot add 2, then this to make no errors. And here label 1 dot text equal 2, equal 1. Look, here means the same like here, but the one like here it's 2, but here it's 1, and here it's 1, but here it's 2. Checkbox 1, I said here, if checkbox 1 does checkbox 1, if it's checked, button 1 dot enabled equal false. It's make automatically here. Button 1 dot enabled, 1 second, where is enabled dot enabled? It's true. I want it. If it's checked, make it false automatically. And else, if it's not checked, button 1 dot enabled equal true. Like now, button 1 enabled is true. The same here, but here it's checkbox 2 because I wanted this checkbox. And check if checkbox 2, if checkbox 2, if it's checked, button 2 dot enabled equal false. Here the same, but here this checkbox is 2 and button 2. Button 2 is this button. And 1 second, please. Button 2 means this button, and here if checkbox 3. Why I didn't make it this code in button 1 and 2? Because here the event click. This means event. This means like if, this like if, but with button 1 if it's if someone click on it. So if I make here this in button 1 and 2, it means if I click on this, it will make what the code dot text here dot text at 2. If I click on it, it will be 2. I want it if I check this, make it 2. And button 2 dot text equal add 1, else dot text As now, let's add one and add two. We finished our video. See you next video, inshallah.